Hello everyone, in the video we will talk about the human sperm structure. Last video I discussed about gametogenesis. So human sperm is a type of cell. In the cell there are different parts, head part, neck part, middle piece, tail, and in the cell tail in the cell it's a motile cell and it is also called as flagellate. If you take a female gamete, egg is not motile because it does not have any structure like what tail or flagella. Okay. Here I will draw the structure of sperm. Sperm is nucleus. Sperm is a cell. So cell is cell organelle sperm. Example, nucleus, Golgi, Mitochondria, plasma membrane. In the all cell organelles you sperm but difference is that conventional cell structure in the sperm cell structure. Okay, first I will draw the nucleus. So this is the nucleus. So nucleus usually round but in the nucleus pointed end. So that is the first difference. This is what nucleus. And nucleus ku mele or structure irukum. That structure is called, the tip structure is called acrosome. Acrosome na enna ma'am appadina Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus oda modified form da the acrosome. So nucleus ku mele irukkiradhu Golgi, but nama the Golgi nu sollama acrosome appdin solrom. Next in the green color we have plasma membrane. So I can write here, this is called what? Plasma. So cell every cell contains plasma membrane. And sperm also has cell which also contains what? Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is made up of what? Plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins, phospholipids. Okay. Now here see that the 3/4 of the nucleus, the head portion, which means this is head portion. So this is head and this portion is called neck and this is middle piece and this one is what? Tail. Okay. So in the head 3/4 of the portion cover pannikra structure ku pera, I will take different color. In the structure ku pera galea. Or a thick structure which covers the 3/4 of the sperm head is called galea, and the lower half is covered by the structure called, this structure is called mancate. Okay, now sperm or a nucleus ku keela enna structure irukum appadina, here we can find a structure called centrioles. There are two different types of centrioles. The centriole which is present here is proximal centriole. We know that only human cell contains centriole. Animal cell, plant cell. Animal cell centrioles but plant cells there is no centriole, and this is called distal centriole. Ma'am, this is ma'am proximal distal abdina. Yedhu or structure ku pakkathula nucleus ku pakkathula irukanaala adukku peru proximal, nucleus vittu konju thalli irukanaala distal abdina konju far away. Okay, so that's why it is called distal centriole. And here the very important structure called what mitochondria is present. So this structure is called what? Mitochondria. This orange color structure is called mitochondria. But mitochondria as such mitochondria mitochondria is called nebacan, which is nothing but mitochondria. Adhe madri acrosome Golgi. So all these points can be asked as a MCQs in NEET examination. NEET or any kind of entrance examination la nebacan abindra part எந்த cell organella denote பண்ணுது அப்படினா very simple, it's mitochondria of sperm. அதே மாதிரி acrosome அப்படின்றது it's Golgi indicate பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு part. Okay, now here this structure called I'll take another color, distal centriole. From the distal centriole we'll get a filaments like this. So these are called what axial filament. and they have the arrangement of 9+2. 9+0, 9+2 arrangement we have studied in the chapter Cell, the Unit of Life. So here the axial filament have the arrangement of 9+2. So this is the structure of sperm, human sperm. This is the structure of human sperm. So human sperm la 4 different parts irukku, head, neck, middle piece and tail. In the sperm oda retention capacity, adha sperm abindrathu it has to fertilize egg illaya, and the retention capacity vandu nama eppadi sollalam appadina, we can call it as viability period. Viability period. What is viability period? You know, the ability of the sperm to fertilize the egg. So evlo nera varaikum and the ability adukite irukona, that retention period is called viability period. What retention period? The time with which the sperm can fertilize the egg, maximum is 24 hours. Okay, so this is the structure of sperm. And sperm is a haploid, and it's a haploid cell. The cell may contain 2 different types of sex chromosome, X and Y. If it contains X chromosomes, then it is called gymnosperms. If it contains Y chromosome, it is called androsperms. மேம் இது ஏன் சொல்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னா, இப்போ எக்ஸ் குரோமோசோம் இருக்கிற ஒரு ஸ்பெர்ம் வந்து எக்குக்கு வந்து ஆப்வியஸ்லி எக்ஸ் தான் இருக்கணும். இதை ஃபர்டிலைஸ் பண்ணும்போது தட் சைல்டு வில் பி ஃபீமேல் சைல்டு, and if the same X is fertilized by the sperm with Y chromosome, then the child is what? Male child. Okay, so the sex determination is not because of female, it's just because of male. Okay, so sex ஒரு குழந்தையோட செக்ஸ் டிட்டர்மினேஷனில் மேஜர் ரோல் யாருக்கு இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, கம்ப்ளீட் ரோல் யாருக்கு இருக்குன்னா மேலுக்கு தான் இருக்குது. பிகாஸ் மேல் only produce 2 different types of sperms, gymnosperms and androsperms. So in this video, you know, I completely discussed about the structure of human sperm. In the next video, I'll discuss the next content, which is female reproductive system, female gametogenesis, how the egg is formed and the structure of human egg. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.